Hey guys, oskar.goprimate here, and in this video we're gonna go through a real awesome upper back exercise, the Bulgarian row. Now the Bulgarian row is performed on rings and it's awesome for building muscle and strength in the rhomboids, mid traps and rear delts. And by strengthening those muscles you're also gonna be improving your posture and your overall shoulder health as well, because they're gonna be reinforcing you to keep shoulder blades back instead of running forward. Now enough chit chat, let's get into the actual videos. When performing any kind of row, it's always important to keep your hips extended with your glutes and core tight throughout the whole movement. Specifically when performing Bulgarian rows, it's important that your elbows are on the same height as your shoulders, so that you look like the letter T. And to really get the right muscle activations, you want to focus on pulling with your elbows to really target the traps and the rear delts properly. To get the most out of every repetition, make sure you have a 1 to 2 second squeeze at the top of the movement to really squeeze all the juice out of the rear delts and the mid traps. And as with any type of row, you can make this exercise harder by getting into a more horizontal position, or you can make it easier by getting into a more vertical and upright position. Rear delts usually respond well to high volume, so high repetitions with low resistance, and a rep range of 12 to 15 repetitions works pretty well with Bulgarian rows. Bulgarian rows fit well into the end of your back workout, so after your maybe sets of chin-ups and other type of rows, you can program in Bulgarian rows to really finish off the upper back. And that is the Bulgarian row right there. So, quick recap of the key points to keep in mind. Number 1, keep your body straight at all times. Number 2, focus on pulling with your elbows. Number 3, keep your elbows at shoulder level. And number 4, have a 1 to 2 second squeeze at the top of the movement to really squeeze all the juice out of your traps and your rear delts. And a bonus tip, I recommend you do this for high reps, so 12 to 50 repetitions I think is going to give you the best results. And that's it for this video guys. If you learned something new, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.